Okay guys, so I just got through co-washing my hair and I used the hair one with the olive oil in it, co-wash. For those who don't know what co-washing is, co is short for conditioner and wash means to wash your hair. So it's like a conditioner wash, which is strange because how can conditioner wash your hair when it doesn't have sulfate? That's another story. But I just got through co-washing and I put my hair in 4 sections. And I have bands around them so that it can make this process easier. If you want to know why my hair is loose, it's because I add heat to it. I blow dry it like 2 or 3 times a year, and I flat iron like once a year, or maybe occasionally twice a year to trim my ends because I like my hair to have a shape when I straighten my hair. So Shay picked out the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. And has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. No sulfates, no mineral oil. So today is a sulfate-free and mineral oil moment. All right, so it does say strengthener. I have to probably look at the ingredients. It might have some kind of protein in it, but I don't know yet. But anytime it says strengthener and stuff like that, it has some type of protein in it. Okay, so that's just from my experience. So I'm gonna whip through this really fast. I put my conditioners in all the same way. I'm losing light. It's late in the evening. So I'm going to make sure I get this in as good as I can. In case you want to see it closer, that's what it looks like. Closer. Ew. It looks like nacho cheese. This stuff smells so good. I like the way it smells. You may not like it, but I like it. It smells sweet. It has a very unique smell. It smells like sweet honey on a day when you feeling real good and pretty and you had a spa day, got out the shower, and your man is really good to you. You got a good man in your life, so this is what this feels like you got a good man in your life. I like the texture too. I gotta coat these ends a little bit more. They feel dry. Do you guys know I had forgot about banding my hair? Because when I was rinsing my hair and stuff, I was like, I really don't feel like my hair getting retangled and stuff. I said, why don't you put your bands on? So banding is good to keep your hair separated. And you gotta keep yourself from getting frustrated, taking the bands down. Let me put some conditioner on it. Let's see what kind of slip this has, because this does have a great slip. But let's see if it'll make this band slide right off. So there's the band. So let's see. Oh, look at that, guys. It's sliding right off. I must have this thing really tangled in here. I don't want to yank my hair out, but it's got a good slip, so I might need some more conditioner. Oh yeah, it's got a good little slip. Oh, a red bird trying to come in through my patio. You can't come in here, little red bird. My Shay will get you. So I think Shay made a good selection today, although I think both products are going to be nice. I am going to do a review on the other one too. I don't usually use Cream of Nature that much, but when I do use it, it's a nice product line. I like Cream of Nature. And I like Carol's Daughter too. So actually Carol's Daughter is one of my favorite product lines. And I do have a few of their products in my stash. So when I apply it to my back, I make sure I put my conditioner on heavier because my back is kinkier, more delicate, and weaker. All right guys, so I got it in there. And what I'm going to do is let it sit for about 5 minutes in my hair, and then I'm not going to put a cap on or nothing. I'm not going to sit under a dryer. I'm not going to do any of those things. Just going to let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. And once I rinse it out, I'm going to show you what my hair looks like and what it feels like. How about that? Let's see if Shay made a good selection with the conditioner. So when I rinse my hair out with my bands, I leave the bands on and let the water rinse through my hair as much as I can. And then when I get to this part right here, I take the band down and let the water rinse through it. So I keep the bands in when I rinse my hair out until the very last minute. Then I take them out and then I go from there. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a few, well, it's a few minutes for me, but it's the next clip for you. All right, guys, I am back. I rinsed out the conditioner and my hair feels great. It has a pretty sheen to it. It does feel strengthened. So I think this conditioner, like it says, it adds moisture and strength. So I think it is a moisturizing type conditioner with a little bit of strengthening in it. I am feeling the way my hair looks. It looks pretty. It looks pretty. I like it. It feels good. Will I recommend this? Yes, I will. I'm gonna have to go tell Shay Shay she did a good job. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Shay Shay, you did a really good job in picking out my conditioner.
Hey! Shay!
You did a good job picking out my conditioner. I thank you. Okay, you act like you don't want to be bothered with your mama. You act like you acting like you don't want to be bothered. Thank you so much. Okay.
I'm gonna do
Bye.
this.